Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I got another case review here today, and it is by the brand ESR. Now I paid with my own money to buy this from Amazon. It is $24.99. I'm in Canada, so it is on sale, I think, anywhere between $23.99 to $24.99. So I'll leave the link in the description below if you're interested in this case. So let's unbox it. So you get an easy replacement Care Plus from ESR. So it's essentially just a 24-month warranty, and you can always reach out to them. They have really good warranty. They really have a good customer care support. So, you know, with ESR, you have nothing to worry about. Little instruction manual. Just a little card there. Now here is the frosted hybrid classic case with a stash stand. I decided to go with the frost version just because not a lot of people are showing off the frost version, and I think it'll match with the black titanium very, very nicely. ESR advertises that this case exceeds the 3 times military grade protection, approximately 11-foot drop. I'm not going to test that out here in this review. I'm just going to review the case on the phone. So let's take a look. Now let's put the phone in the case. I like to put the camera first. Let's listen to that snap. That snapped in really nice. So this is what it looks like with the case on the phone. As you can see here on the top corners, there is the little indentation kind of protruding outwards on the 4 corners. ESR calls those the shock absorbing air guard corners. The build quality is very nice. It has got a smooth but not a velvety smooth PC back. Now if you take a look at your camera control in the corner there, now take a look at your camera protection. Nice camera protection right there. As you can see, I do have a tempered glass screen protector on my phone. So if you want to take a look at the lip protection, you can see the lip protection there. It sticks up more on the top corners and the bottom corners, and a nice swiping. But it does have a good enough table protection in case you want to lay your phone down on the table or it falls face down. You do have enough protection there. Buttons are clicky, nice and tactile. Feel in the hand is really nice. It's not overly slippy, it is not overly grippy, but it does feel really nice in the hand. It does feel like your phone is protected in this case. Got a lot of grooves on the back here for if you wanted to lay your phone down face down on the back. It has lip here and lip there, and your camera is really protected. Let's check it out. This is what it looks like if you were to prop your phone up. Propping your phone up is not a big deal. If you wanted to watch some YouTube or some videos, some movies on Netflix, the stash stand is really good. It's got you covered in every angle. Even if you wanted to prop it down a little lower, you can do it. You can go pretty low with it. Can't go wrong with it. Now ESR says that this stand can last over 3,000 uses. Now let's check the MagSafe. Very strong. I had to really give it some give there, and it did leave a little bit of a smudge on the back, but nothing a little wiping can't do. But it really grabs onto that MagSafe puck really nicely. Now let's check regular wireless charge. Boom. Beautiful. No issues there. Who would I recommend this case for? I would recommend this case for somebody who wants minimalistic protection, but also wants the military grade protection with a kickstand functionality, great MagSafe, and great warranty and case durability. ESR has you covered. I've always gravitated towards the classic hybrid cases for all of the ESR cases, just because I know that they have a great functionality, great warranty, great quality, and you know when you're buying an ESR product, you're gonna get something that'll do the job, and I think this case this year does the job. I hope you liked this video. Again, please like and subscribe. Give me some feedback in the comments below. I'd like to hear what your thoughts are, and if you had to get a case, what case would you get? Let me know in the comments below. And again, thank you so much for watching. Let me know what your thoughts are on this case and what case you would be getting, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.